everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Bulgari unboxing. I don't know if you can see, the bag is so reflective. A Bulgari unboxing. This is my first piece from Bulgari. Yeah, I had actually a really great experience. I had never been, so many years ago, I had tried on some of the Serpenti watches at Neiman Marcus. Like this was, I want to say like 2014, 2013, when it was like totally out of the question that I would ever, spend that amount of money on a timepiece or fine jewelry or anything like that. But I've always, they've always stuck with me from that time. And I've kind of had it in my head that like one day I would have one of those watches. But the other day was like the first time, I would say, in recent years, and then the last 10 years, that I've been into a Bulgari store. My friend from Instagram, Angel, she's known as a midlife crisis girl, she referred me to her sales associate at Bulgari, who actually wasn't in, so I ended up getting assisted by someone else. But I reached out the other day because I heard that watches were having a price increase. I ended up down kind of a crazy rat hole with the watches, and I have not kind of made up my mind about what I'm going to do yet. Like I've talked about on this channel, there is a limited edition Serpenti pink mother of pearl watch that is just like, I can't get it off my mind. I think day to day, I would probably get more use out of the normal watch band style that I could wear on my right hand easily. Some people wear the Serpenti backwards on the right hand. Anyway, a whole watch discussion is taking place on Instagram. If you don't already follow me there, go check it out. I went down this whole rabbit hole, blah, blah, blah. Okay, also, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I'm going through it with VCA. I mean, I'm not really going through it. I'm just waiting to get my earrings back. They offered to clean my mini Frivole Pave earrings while I was in store. While they were cleaning them, a diamond fell out. They found the diamond. They sent them for repair. They said that I could pay to have it repaired locally, myself. I said, no, send it to Paris. But it's still not clear if I'm gonna have to pay for it or not. I don't know, but all that to say is I am kind of missing a set of earrings from my collection that I feel like I was getting a lot of use out of, and now it feels like there's a gap. And so I was kind of on a mission to fill that gap, try on the watches, explore. Basically, I fell in love with the brand, and I don't think that this will be the last Bulgari unboxing that happens on my channel. All that to say. Okay, inside we have the receipt folder, and then I think this is the authenticity. I'm only doing this, this is my first one. Yeah, so this is the authenticity information. Cute, so important. I like that everything's like this really pretty gold color. Okay, kind of like a neutral champagne-y gold color. And then we have my little purchase. Very luxe. Sorry, let me just get all this stuff off. The bow. And the box is so reflective. I have to point it like down so it doesn't catch any light. With the saffron interior. So pretty. Okay, you ready? I don't want them to like fall out, but I got these little, let me pull them out, tiny little rose gold studs from the Diva's Dream line. I don't know if these are showing up on camera, how they actually appear in real life. So they are rose gold and mother of pearl with tiny pave diamonds. So cute. They have like the little, I don't know what you call it, butterfly backing. And I just felt like these were a good addition to my earring collection. Like these can easily mix and match with the Sweet Alhambra, with the butterfly earrings, with earrings I already have. but they also kind of serve as the substitute for my mini Frivole while they're being repaired. But unlike, and I was discussing this on Instagram, unlike, you know, getting a Dior rose earring or like another pair of Frivole in yellow gold, these will serve their own purpose even after the Frivole are back in my life. Does that make sense? Okay, let me put them on. So right now I'm just wearing like a little Cartier stud and the little Tiffany flower. By the way, these studs that I bought at Cartier are probably my worst fine jewelry purchase ever. If you're gonna get studs, first of all, in the year of our Lord, 2024, get lab diamond stud earrings. Like, don't even think twice about that. And second of all, do not buy them from Cartier like me. Like, I was in the moment. I was living life. I had had a really good year that year, and I was feeling myself and bought these studs, but spent entirely way too much money on this very like appropriately sized. I forget the total carat weight. Very appropriately sized studs, but like for a tenth of the price, you could get something twice as big. Not that I want them to be twice as big, but you know. Okay, so this is the earrings on here. I'll scooch closer to you so you can see. It just like fits my ear perfectly. Like the little swoop of the bottom hits like the bottom of my ear perfectly, and I just feel like can you see, it just stacks really well with all of my other earrings. And I love the glow of the mother of pearl. And I was also looking at a ring that went with these, where it kind of like had the two, like this, I don't know what shape this is. It had one going this way and one going that way. So it was really cute. I took my other one out. But these are what I picked up, and I started like a longer wish list. I mean, I have a lot of Bulgari on my wish list now, honestly. Like, I'm loving this Diva's Dream line, which I actually don't see a lot about online. I mean, it's maybe not as popular, but I don't really care about what's popular like that. But they have like a really tiny pave pendant and then a bigger one. And when I was in London, I saw this woman wearing both of them stacked, and I was like, oh my God, that is really cool. But let me show you some of the watches that I've been looking at because we're here, and why not? So I think the watch that looked best on me was this one. I think it's called the Situtori. The price is gonna go up tomorrow, so I'm a little bit like, ooh, should I just do it now? The one that is like kind of stuck with me is the special edition. This is a screenshot I took from BH Lux, where it's like the mother of pearl dial. I think I showed this to you guys before. It's just really good. It's really good. I might need it. It's pre-order. I tried on that's the white face. I think that's the yellow gold. So this is the rose gold and black face, which I actually kind of liked. This one I'd probably get the most use out of. Yeah, what do you think? What do you think? What do we think? Probably by the time we see this, I would have made the decision. So that's the, yeah, rose gold white face with diamonds. Oh, and this is the ring I like. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Except for it's mother of pearl on a ring. So I'm kind of like, you have to like take it off whenever you wash your hands. I feel like I'm sitting really close to the camera. And then somewhere in here, I like photoshopped the special edition one, which they don't have, but you know, you guys can see my, look at my Photoshop skills. By Photoshop skills, I mean iPhone sticker. It's so obvious. Look at how white that is compared to that. But you know, I could get the idea. is the whole point, you know. Yeah, Photoshop, as in Instagram stories photo editing tool. Anyway, I had a really lovely time. I have more on my wish list. Let's talk through it. This ring is on my wish list. This is the larger Diva's Dream pave necklace, and then this is the smaller one, and I would get them together and like stack them. It'd be really cute. These actually were like basically the same price as these, but they like dangled. They were like very beautiful, and I was considering them. I need to kind of branch out of where I am currently with purchasing jewelry. Like, I've been kind of focused on doing this like capsule jewelry collection, and I think actually what I need to do is start going for more singular statement pieces that can be worn on their own. Like, till now, I've kind of been thinking about every piece that I add as something that I would wear with everything else, rather than things that would stand on their own. So, for example, the Satytori watch is more something I would wear with everything else, but the special edition Serpenti watch is more something that I would have to wear on its own. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Do you have anything from Bulgari? Do you have anything from the Diva's Dream line? And how do you feel about it? Anyway, that's my little unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. It doesn't cost you anything. It's good for me. It's good for the algorithm. It's fun. And yeah, that's all. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Talk to you later. Bye.